In this video, we will be looking at how to withdraw Sweatcoin to PayPal and seeing if this is something that is actually possible to do. So here we are, as you can see on the Sweatcoin app. So as you can see, I've currently got a balance up here in the top right hand corner of 324 Sweatcoins. Now from the Sweatcoin home screen, if you actually come down and press onto this person icon just down here on the toolbar, and then what you want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and press onto your profile icon. On your profile page, what you need to do now is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the settings icon. And in here, what we're going to do is press onto help. On the help screen, what you're going to want to do is come down and press where it says other common queries. And you can see there's a query at the top saying, can I cash out my Sweatcoins to PayPal or my bank account? So if we actually press onto this to open it up, as you can see, it currently says at the moment it is not possible to cash out Sweatcoins via PayPal or bank transfer. The long-term vision is to make Sweatcoin a fully fledged currency that will be listed on exchanges. But don't wait for this, please spend your Sweatcoins in the marketplace with our brand partners. PayPal and Amazon vouchers are featured regularly, especially if you are inviting loads of friends. So can you withdraw Sweatcoin to PayPal? Well, at the time of recording, no you cannot. You cannot directly withdraw your Sweatcoin to PayPal. However, as mentioned here, keep an eye on the marketplace as they do sometimes have PayPal and Amazon vouchers which you can cash in your Sweatcoins for and exchange out for PayPal vouchers. So I hope this quick video did clear things up for you, and if this did help you out today, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.